Hello student, good morning. How are you? Hope you all good at home students. Now today I will explain chapter first, that is the earth where we live. So ready for this? In this chapter I will explain this chapter. Now student, first tell me, what do we see in the sky during the daytime? Warm up. What do we see in the sky during the daytime? Yes, sun is right answer. Yes, student. One more question. What do we see in the night sky? What do we see in the night sky? Yes, the moon, the stars. The moon, the stars. Okay, students. Now, the sun, the moon and the stars are called heavenly body and celestial bodies. Okay, sun, moon and stars are called heavenly bodies or celestial body. A planet is also a heavenly body. There are 8 planets. Student, are you know the name of the 8 planets? Yes. Recall: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets in the solar system. Okay, student? We live on planet Earth. It is our home planet. Which is our home planet? Earth. Because we live on it. That's why we call it home planet. So, which is our home planet? Earth is our home planet. Okay, students. Now, shape of the earth. Shape of the earth. What does our planet look like? It looks like a ball, but it is actually more like an orange. What does our planet look like? It looks like a ball, but it is actually more like an orange. It is slightly flattened at the top. How it is? First, we make earth. Okay, so it is slightly flattened at the toe. It means here it is the top of the earth. This is. And the bottom with a slight bulge in the bottom. This is the bottom. It is bottom. Bulge in the middle. It is bulge. Bulge. It is bulge. It is bulge in the middle. So the shape is called the geoid. Now once again student, it is slightly flattened at the top. It is the top. Slightly flattened. And the bottom and the bottom. So top and bottom, it is slightly flattened. Okay, but actually slight bulge in the middle, but in the middle it is bulge. Top and bottom it is flat and slight bulge in the middle. Okay student, so the shape is called geoid. What is the shape? The shape of the earth is called geoid. And in simple language we call what is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is, yes, tell me the answer. The shape of the earth is round. Okay, geoid in the shape. Okay student, hope you all understand. Sun, moon and the stars are called heavenly body. Okay, a planet is also a heavenly body. 8 planet we know. Their name: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, and what is the shape of the Earth? The shape of Earth is round. Okay, now move on. Next page, student. Now here, in earlier times, people thought that the earth was flat and had edges. In earlier time, people thought that the earth was flat and had edges. Edges is brim. It means kinara. It is brim. They believe that if they went near the edges, they would fall off. What they believe if they went near the edge, they would fall off. But thinkers like Aristotle and Copernicus said that the earth was round like a ball. But thinkers Aristotle and Copernicus said that the earth was round like a ball. About 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan, an explorer, proved that the earth is round. Who proved it? Ferdinand Magellan. He is an explorer. He proved that the earth is round. He started his voyage on a ship. Was means sail. After 3 years, he returned to the same place from where he had started. This time we studied about thinkers Aristotle and Copernicus, who said that the earth was round like a ball. About 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan, an explorer, proved that the earth is round. Okay, student? How it was proved? It was proved by voice. Okay? Now, life on earth. All living things survive on earth. Can you say why? All living things survive on earth. Can you say why? Yes, we know this. Because on earth we have air, water and land. That's why we survive on earth. Okay? Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called atmosphere. Atmosphere. Earth is surrounded. How it is surrounded? Earth is surrounded. Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air is called atmosphere. So student, atmosphere, what is atmosphere? The envelope of air which surrounds the earth. The envelope of air which surround the earth is called atmosphere. Okay? Another language it is a atmosphere, it is environment. It is like a filter for harmful rays of the sun. It gets the right amount of heat and light from the sun. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a blanket. It's like a blanket of air. It is like a filter for harmful rays of the sun. It gets the right amount of heat and light from the sun. A large part of the earth is covered by water. It is more important thing, student. A large part of the earth is covered by water. The layer of water or at the surface of earth is called hydrosphere. So, hydrosphere is the layer of water on or at the surface of earth is called hydrosphere. All the water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers, lakes make up The hydrosphere. Who make up the hydrosphere? Oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. It is home to many aquatic plants and animals. Water is also required by all living creatures on land. Aquatic plants who just live in water, we call it aquatic plants and animals. Okay student, so hydrosphere, the layer of water on or at the surface of earth is called hydrosphere. All the water bodies such as the oceans, seas, rivers and lakes make up the hydrosphere. Okay student, now hope you all understand this topic. Okay, bye bye student. Bye beta.